Hi, welcome to Maths Guru channel. Now in this video I am going to explain fifth question. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Okay, we need to find the root 5 value up to 3 decimal places only. Okay, see here, one by one I will explain. Here 5 value, 5 we should take, 5 given means 5 we should take, point you have to take, and 0 0 0 you can take. If you take this value will not change, 5 only this value. Okay, so after taking these zeros, now you can, from the right side, you can pair of the digits, you can pair of the two digits. Okay, now after pairing, remaining number, lefting number, that is 5. After that 5, if you see, means suitable table we can take here. Nearby 5, which how it will get, like that you can take the table. Okay, so 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Now you can take the subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. Now we cannot divide this one, we cannot divide with 2. So what we have to do, we can take the carry down, zeros pair, we can take the carry down. Now take the decimal point here. Now when we are going to next step, this number what you have taken, that double of that number we can write here. So 2 double 4. Now with 4, with here what you will take, that number only here we should write. So if you take here 2, it will becomes 42. 42 should multiply what number? 2 only. 42 2s are 84. Okay, now you have to do the subtraction. Here we can take the borrow. So 10 minus 4, 6. It will becomes 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Already we took borrow this one, so no need, here nothing will be. So already it we have taken, no, that's what. So you have to get here 16. 16 we cannot divide with 42. So what you will do, next pair of digits we have to carry down. It will become 1600. Now see here, 4 as it is you have to write. This digit we took, no new digit, that double of we can take. So 2 double 4. Now it will becomes 44. 44 in here what you will take the digit, same digit here we should take. So I am taking 3. Why? Because to get nearest number of 1600. So if you take 4 here, 444 it will come, means 444 into 4 if you do, means it will get more of this number. So before number 3 only I am taking, so it will becomes 443 into 3 we should do. So we should get 1329. Now you have to do the subtraction. Here you have to take the borrow. So it will becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9 it will becomes 9 minus 2, 7. Here it will becomes 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Why? Because we took borrow, no. So 6 will becomes 5. So 271 you will get. We cannot divide with this number with this number. So next pair of digits we have to carry down. Now it will becomes 27,100. So now see next step, 4 as it is. This new digits, no, 4 doubles 8, 3 doubles 6. Okay, 486. Now nearby number you can take 4866 into 6 if you do, means you will get to 24,325. Now you can take the borrow from this. Now 10 minus 5, 5. It will becomes 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, now here nothing will be, no. See, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Here you can take the borrow, means 10 minus 3, 7. Here it will become 6. 26. 26 minus 24, 2. Okay, so up to here enough process. Why? Because here question up to 3 decimal places only they asked in the question. So 1 2 3 decimal places we got it. So root 5 value approximately up to 3 decimal places, 2.235. Okay, this is the long division method. Okay, next question, same model given. Find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. By long division method, same process. Here up to 6 decimal places we need to find out. For that, see here 7 we have to take. Why? Because root 7 value we are finding, root 7 value. So 7 we should take, and zeros you can write. 7.000 means that value 7 only, no? So that's what. Here after that you have to, from the right side you have to take the pair of digits. Okay, you have to take the pair of digits. Now same process. Here we can write, or here also we can write, no problem. See, 2 2s are 4. Now 7 minus 4, 3. Okay, now carry down next pair of digits. Okay, now 2 double 4. Again nearby number if you want. 300, no? 300 nearby number, how you will get? You can take the 6. So decimal point after 6. Here 6 we are taking means here we should take 6 only. 46 6 are 276. Okay, now do the subtraction. At 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 7 2. Okay, here already we took borrow means this 3 will becomes 2. 2 minus 2, 0 only we will get. Okay, now next step. Here we are taking double of 6, no? Double of 6 what you will get? 12. 12 means here 2 you can take the carry here. So 4 plus 1, 5 it will becomes 52. Okay, now carry down next pair of digits here, zeros. Okay, now 2400. Now here 52 you can take 4 means 524 into 4. Okay, you will get 2096. Again you have to do the subtraction step by step. You can get the 10 minus 6 4. Here 9 minus 9 0. Here you have to here 3 it will becomes 3. Okay, 23 minus 23. Okay, now same process. Now here 5, here 2, double of 4, 8. Next digit 5, with 5 we can do, then you will get this number. Again do the subtraction. Okay, next 5 2. Here see, here you can take that 8 as it is, but how you can get 9 here? See, double of 5 10, yes or no? So 0 here carry. So 8 plus 1 9. Okay, this number you will get. Now with this number, with which digit you can multiply, you will get nearest to this number, you can multiply. 7s. Okay, now you will get this number. Again you have to do the subtraction. Now next step, 5 to 9 as it is you have to write. New digit here 7. Okay, double of 7 14. So instead of 0 we will get 1 4 14. Okay, this number you will get. Now with the nearest digit you can check 5. This full number into 5, you will get this number. Again do the subtraction. Okay, next step, as it is how to write here. Now here 5 doubles 10, no? So 10 means 0 here carry. So 4 plus 1 5. That's what here we got 5. Now this full number, with which digit we can multiply here? With 1 only, nearest number if you want. Okay, so you will get this number. Same as it is, 1s are, no? 1, same as this number you will get. Now do the subtraction, you will get this number. Now once count the digits, place values. Digits 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 decimal places got it. Now you can stop the process. Root 7 nearest approximate value up to 6 decimals, 2.645751. Okay, like this we have to do the long division method to find the root of any number. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.